Introducing the Benoni Bfd3 Signature Metal Pack. 23 production-ready presets for hard-hitting metal. Expertly crafted to reproduce drum sounds from professionally produced metal bands and BenoniStudio. 13 Bfd3 only presets and 10 expansion pack required presets are included. Load up a preset, grab your favorite amp plugin and guitar or other instrument, and you're ready to make face-melting metal. Everything from black metal, djent, nu metal, death metal, Swedish metal, new American metal, groove metal, and more. Also included are 5 groove palettes containing 182 grooves inspired by heavy-hitting metal songs. Check the description to get these exclusive presets and grooves. Stop programming and start playing. The Benoni Bfd3 Signature Metal Pack. This is metal.